Are these leaves edible? I don't know.
They all are.
You guys ready for some cake? Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Ooh, left-handed. Saw it. There we go. All right, we got one cup. Let's go for number 2. Oh, this has got the W. This must be my piece.
We're gonna share this one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we'll
You
share.
don't want one?
We'll share
That's
one.
how that works.
So glad we have Tommy.
Cut one and then
Do I hold
I
this
don't
too?
know.
Yeah.
People are hungry.
The rest is kind of just however you want to do it. It doesn't really matter.
Woo! All right.
Now you gotta smash it.
Smash it.
You gotta smash it on each other.
There you
That's how it
go.
works.
Oh, you guys are doing it wrong.
Well, how do we do
we?
it?
You smash it in the other person's
Throw it in his
face.
face.
Oh, I'm throwing it.
No, we don't want no messy. Stuff it in his face.
We feed ourselves?
Now if you do. And now if you do.
There we go.
She was nice.
Just smiles right now.
First cake. Cut.